Basketball has been a big part of your lives, right? Both of you. And the reason I bring that up is that the success that you experienced on the hardwood is because of hours of practice, lots of hard work, attention to the details, a dedication to pay the price to be successful, to learn from your mentors and your coaches who have poured into you, and then apply their teaching and follow their game plan. So when it comes to this adventure called marriage, I'm going to tell you that it's going to take all of this and more. And maybe the most important thing for both of you is to be committed to a game plan for your marriage.
I actually bet against them, to Anderson, $100. That Clay wouldn't even get a first date. Because, and Anderson said, because Clay's just so easygoing and relaxed. Everyone knows Alex, she just isn't either. Yeah.
I just want to say, man, just thank you for letting me be a part of your life. I love you, and Alex, I love you too. I just wish nothing but the best for y'all.
I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over again, again. And after all we've been through, there's no one else for me but you. I would choose you over and over again, again, again. You are the real thing. The novel before the film, all the nuance, every letter. And you do things to me like they have never been done. A love like ours could last forever and ever. When I'm down, me up. When I'm dry, no one else. No one.
Now is the time we've been waiting for. You can kiss your beautiful bride.
I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over again, again. And after all we've been through, there's no one else for me but you. I would choose you over and over again, again,
like Alex. And I think a clear sign of that is the people around her. She makes the people around her thrive. She helps them succeed. Thinking of all the things I could say and like how do I put in 22, 23 years of living life together, like how do you put that in?
I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over again, again. And after all we've been through, there's no one else for me but you. I would choose you over and over again, again. I would choose you over and over again, again.
Carly, we can't see you.
Yeah. So you go on the.
Or Carly.
Is it Carly? Yeah. You can go up.
Clay,
and then,
stop.
Yep.